Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato. And today, I'm going to be doing a collab with Ladybug AG06 today. And our collab is about what our dolls like and dislike about summer. And also, I'm going to link Ladybug AG06's channel down below so you can go check her out and maybe subscribe to her if you haven't already heard of her or subscribed to her. So without further ado, let's go! Okay, so who wants to go first? Oh, please, I want to go first. Okay, no, wait, excuse me. I always get to go first. Yeah, exactly. That's why I should go first because I'm the youngest and I never get to go first. Well, I don't care, so I'm going first. No! When do I get to start? Okay, like right now. Let me just click the button. Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Mindy Lee Harper. Okay, you don't have to say it. Just say it. It's my thing. Okay, fine. Hello everyone, my name is Miss Mindy Lee Harper, and today I'm going to be telling you guys what I like and dislike about summer. So what I love about summer is that I get to get all these new bathing suits, and I just love the summer fashion. What I don't like about it is that it's way too hot. Like, I can't do it. I have to bring my little personal AC thing everywhere I go. By the way, you should get one, by the way. That's not even a thing, Mindy. Are you sure? Because I have one. It's called a spray bottle. Oh, yeah, so that's what I like and dislike. Next, oh, Nori, I found your little clipboard. Oops. Laura, it's called a clapboard, and why did you drop it? Sorry. Hopefully it still works. Okay, let's do this. Who's next? I think I'm next. Okay, I like summer because, what do I like about summer? Hi, my name's Ivy. What I like about summer is that I can watch like more anime and I can do more drawing. What I don't like about summer is that like you don't have school. Wait, what? Did I hear you right? I just don't feel complete without my schoolwork, but I guess it's like fun to like have a break. I don't know. Was that good? Did it entertain you? Yep, you were fine. You were very entertaining. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Me next. Hi, I'm Laura. So, what I like about summer is that you don't have any school. And it's so fun because you don't have to do school. But the bad thing about summer that I don't like is that you have to go back to school. But I also really like because I can go play a lot more. And it's fun, but the bad thing about summer is that it's also really hot. Oh, and another bad thing about summer is that I have to see my siblings more. Wait, what? How rude. I'm gonna cut that part out. Excuse me. Okay, so who is next? Elizabeth hasn't gone yet. Oh, I don't wanna go. I'm just gonna watch you kids. Oh, come on. You never have any fun. Come on, let's go. No, and your outfit is actually cute today. Oh, come on, sit in the couch. Go. Ow! You knocked my plant over. It's your fault for pushing me. Oh, wait, the water! Holy chicken nugget! Oh my gosh, Mindy, this is why you don't overwater the plant! Because water gets everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my blanket's all wet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my cardboard's gonna warp. No, my cardboard set I worked so hard on. Why? Is it all dry? Yes, it is. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, so my name's Elizabeth, and what I like about summer is that I get to do all these fun exercises like biking and hiking and tennis. Tennis is so fun. Yeah, whatever. And pickleball. If you haven't heard of pickleball, it's really fun, you know, just to get outside. What I don't like about summer, what do I don't like? Why do I say what I don't like? It's so negative. Probably like everyone wanted me to cook more. I don't know. Okay, so do you know how to use the camera? I think so. You just press this back button right here, right? Perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, ready? Action. Hey guys, I'm Nori, and what I like about summer is pools and like water, basically. Like, when it's hot out, I just need a pool, but since pools are closed where I am, it's kind of sad. I haven't gotten to go in one pool this summer. Suck it up! Okay, anyway. The thing I don't like about summer is, like, having to do yard work and, like, pulling weeds. I feel like that's, like, really annoying, but I really like summer, though, too. Okay, Kit, you are next in line. Wait, seriously? Hopefully they like me. It's my first time doing something like this. Oops, I stepped on this. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Are you sure? What if they don't like me? Everyone will like you. You're Kit. Okay. Oh, hi. So I'm Kit. I'm a new member of the family. I came from eBay. But what I like about summer is that I get to do lots of fun things with animals, and I get to play outside a lot more. And I just like summer because, you know, you don't have any school. I love the warm heat because you can get tan, and it's just so fun. What I don't like about summer, though, is that I have to go back to school, and also maybe like being a little too exhausted after doing something really fun because of the heat. Howdy, so I'm Ginger. What I like about summer is that I just love to garden, and it's just so fun to watch the plants grow and plant the seeds and water. I just love that about summer. What I don't like about summer, though, is that all the bugs definitely come and get you, and definitely the sun, you get sunburn and it just hurts. So that's what I probably don't like about summer. Wow, I just realized how stupid I sounded in that last clip. Summer. I am sorry for the cringe. Okay guys, so that is basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys kind of got to know the squad a bit more. Why did I say squad? Ew, squad is gross. But yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe. Hold up, I need to say something. So, hi, random mysterious hands here. Just want to like let you know that the family situation here. Okay, so Ginger is not a part of the family. Excuse me? Yeah, she's just a friend. She's a friend of the family. Okay, so literally no one cares. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love tacoing to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! And make sure to subscribe to Ladybug AGL6 and check out her video for this collab. Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.